In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take your PowerPoint presentation, load it into Google Slides, and then embed it into your Blackboard course. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is log in to Blackboard. Go into your course. I'm going to be using this testing blank course, and then we're going to go into the online classroom. When I'm in the online classroom, I'm going to go into one of my content folders. For this one, I'm going to use Adam's folder. This could be your week 1 content folder, you name it. So just like we would build content in this item, we're going to build a new item. So click on build content and then item. And we might call this this week's lecture. All right, so now in the content area, we need to embed our PowerPoint slide deck. Now, the reason we want to import it into Google Slides first and not just give them the PowerPoint file is because that PowerPoint file could be rather large, and depending on their internet connection speed, you never really know if they're going to be able to download it the way that they should. So if we embed it using Google Slides, then it's basically like streaming a video. They don't have to download the entire presentation. So go into your Google Drive. If you do not know how to get into your Google Drive, click on, whether you're in your Gmail account, click on this little icons right here, these 9 dots, and then find Drive. So I'm in one of my Drive folders I called presentations, and I'm going to bring in the PowerPoint presentation that I want to embed in my course. I click on New, I go to File Upload, I find the PowerPoint presentation on my desktop. I have this test PowerPoint right here, click Open. It's going to upload the file. And then once it's finished, I'm going to open it up into Google Slides. I double click the file. Then I click this icon up here. It says Open with Google Slides. Now, when you import a PowerPoint presentation and convert it to Google Slides, some things might change. The placement of your images might change, your transitions might change. But for the most part, if you have a very standard PowerPoint, it should look the same as normal. But you can always edit it if you need to. So you'll see here's my PowerPoint inside of Google Slides, looks exactly the same. And so now we want to get the embed code to embed it into our Blackboard course. So first go to File and then scroll down to where it says Publish to the Web. So right here you can give them a link to view, or you can embed the slideshow right into the Blackboard course. Click on Embed and you can change the size. You can make it a little bit smaller, medium size, large, whatever. We'll just leave that medium. And we're going to leave this at the default. And we'll just hit publish. And it's going to say, are you sure you want to publish the selection? Hit OK. And now we have an HTML embed code. But before we copy that, let's look at this published content and settings link right here at the bottom. So what it says right here is require viewers to sign in with their UCA account. I'm going to leave that as off for now, because with students, they have a different, they have the cub.uca.edu Gmail account. We have the uca.edu account. There might be some things that prevent them from viewing this content, or if they're viewing it from their phone, they're not logged into their account. So we're just going to leave that off. That way everyone can view it that's inside of our course. We're going to copy the HTML, right click and copy. If you're on Mac, Command C. If you're on Windows, Control C. So now we have the HTML. We're going to go back into our Blackboard course shell, click inside the content editor, and then click the HTML icon. If you cannot see this HTML icon, make sure your editor is showing more on this toolbar. So if you only see this, click this little down arrow. Okay? Click HTML, and then we're just going to Control V for Windows, Command V for Mac, or right click paste, paste in that HTML, hit update. So as you will see, just like when embedding a YouTube video, you will see this yellow box. That's a good sign telling you that yes, whatever you just pasted is embedded into this item. We're going to leave all of our options the same and click Submit. So now when students go to our folder for that week's content, they will now see our PowerPoint presentation embedded right there into the course. So then they have their options right here. They can hit play, where it will automatically move every 3 seconds, or we can just have them click forward, backwards. They can go to the main menu, see where to go, things like that. So just like that, we imported a PowerPoint presentation, converted it to Google Slides, and then embedded it into our Blackboard course. For more information, make sure to stay up to date with our instructional continuity website at uca.edu/CTE. Thank you so much.